Welcome back to the lighting build, everyone. Okay, it's been now for me more than 2 months since the previous video. For you it'll be quick. I had mentioned that there will be a new lighting kit coming out, and I've been waiting for Rob from Brickstuff to actually get it done, sorted out, and send it out to me. And it's eventually arrived, and it's going to be a lot more impressive than the previous one, which is at this moment in my spinner kit. What we decided was to split the rear and front section into two different PC boards. So I'll just go through the parts again, what you get in the kit, and what options you have to actually change slightly on the battery pack. But you get two PC boards. So all the front lights except the front main pods lights will be on the front connection, which is this one. Okay, so your front pods will be still on the rear one, but there is a extension cable to extend the light to the front with a splitter, so it makes it a lot easier. We actually had originally planned to, well, it might still happen that this front PC board is like a H design, so that would basically go in on the front body, not this piece, but on the front half, and that will sit basically like this on the front. But now we have the smaller one, which probably might fit in this way. I'll have to test fit and see how it fits best when I get to the point. Okay, so what you get in the kit, you get your two PC boards, okay, and you get your various lights. Like I explained before, it's all the same lighting, with the difference of there is extra 5 lights. So you notice on the movie, on the movie spinner, not this one, this is not the movie version, there is 3 strobe lights on the top rear section, and then 2 on each side of the number plates. So there is now extra lights. They do strobe, they are red, as in the movie. I need to determine where they're going to fit, because when this goes in, it only has this area to work because the rest sits flush. So that light has to extend from this open area. Okay, so when I get to that point, I will make a new video. So what I'll do now is just show you guys what you get. You get your light, you get a remote with your receiver, okay, and then you get your new PC boards. There's an option, I'm not sure if it's going to be part of the kit or you need to pay extra for it, but it's a magnetic charging port. So if you're running off USB, you can connect one part on the outside and one on the inside. And basically what that means is you can take your model off. When you take it off the stand, it'll disconnect. Okay, so that's your charging magnets. Quite nifty. Okay, the other option is going to be, which I would probably do on my kit to lower weight, is a 9-volt connector with a momentary switch. Okay, so you connect your 9-volt, a lot lighter. It's got its built-in voltage dropper. Okay, so you don't fry everything. Okay, so that'll be an option. You get your, as far as I know, this is standard, your AA battery pack, and then you get all your normal lights. So you get your I've got 2 types of here, thin and thick, to test which is better for the light bars. And then you get your tail lights and your hood spotlight with your spot already connected. Okay, everyone that's already got a kit who orders a light set will get a new hollow spotlight. Okay, Rob has a bunch of them that I sent to him. Okay, so wheel lights, and then you got your wheel main lights, your pod lights and side lights. Okay, So I'm not going to be boring off camera and do everything on camera. What I'm going to do is disconnect all the cables that I've done before from the previous videos, and then just reconnect them with the ones for the front, and then stick that on, and then the rear one. And then I'm going to make the holes for this rear part. Okay, and then I'm going to come back and make another video. There is one extra light which I've almost forgot to mention. I think it might look cool. I'm not sure if you're going to do it. You can do it if you want to or not. But I added one extra light to put below your drone bay. So the idea that I want to do is drill a hole through here, so when the drone sits in there, there's a glow around the edge. Okay, that might look nice. I have no idea how it's going to look. It was added on. There was enough space on the PC board because now we've actually got two, so there's more connections. So that might look nice. If it doesn't look nice and you look at the video, you think it looks crap, then just don't put the LED in. Just leave it unplugged. Okay. So I'm going to disconnect, reconnect, drill some holes. I might not do it today. The next video might be a week or two away. Okay, because of time. But the next video will be everything in the right place, and hopefully everything will work, which I'm confident it will. Okay, so great. Thanks. Cheers.